Hi, it's Glenn talking fly fishing. This time, fly tying things, and there's several things that I would suggest. Have some hackle pliers. I prefer this one. This style. It's got a little bend thing. In fact, I still have a little hackle right there. Uh, a good scissor. All right, sharp ones that you can also sharpen. Right here is it's called a whip finish tool. You can do it by hand. All right, I know how to do that, as well as you can use this baby right here. And you ought to try it. It does work really well. You can get a longer size one so that you can tie on that whip finish mid body at BB, but I would say have that baby ready. And additionally, there's various bobbins you can buy. This is a right bobbin. Okay, I like it because it has a means to keep the tension on the line. Well, I got three of them. All right, and the main thing there is I put different color threads so I don't have to keep flip-flopping around from one to the other when I'm fly tying. And additionally, it does have a tension means where you can pull these apart or closer together just to give it a little higher tension. Additionally, you can always just kind of pinch the line a little bit when you're working the fly or working on the fly. So just to recap again, you want hackle pliers here because you can be doing some of those dry flies and whatnot, and some palmering with some of those hackles. You definitely want scissors. You definitely want some means to do a whip finish. You could learn by hand, or you can get this handy tool. And then a bobbin right here, so you can do the fly tying and get it onto the fly itself. And then I would say have one of these, a bobbin threader. All right, because it's pretty tough to get right there and get the line through, especially with these old eyes here. So yeah, with this, you just kind of put your line here or put it through and pull it out, and you're good to go. So of all these essentials here, I could probably get away with maybe dropping the whip finish tool and maybe even the hackle pliers and just kind of use my fingers more. But you definitely need that bobbin threader with the bobbin, and you definitely need some scissors. All right.